Hello, in this lab we are going to look at 12.2.10, which is to implement an enterprise wireless network. So you are the network technician for a small corporate network. You just installed a root cause, zone controller and wireless access point throughout your office building. This is wired connection. You now need to configure basic wireless network setting. Alright, so let's see. In this lab, your task is to create a WAN using the following settings that are provided here: CompNet wireless, CompNet standard usage, authentication will be open, encryption will be WAP2, encryption algorithm AES, paraphrase. Okay, connect the exec laptop in the executive office to the new wireless network. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward. Remember, this is lab 12.2.10. So let us, and okay, so admin password, the username, case sensitive. So let's start up. In case this video appears a bit too fast for you, you can always pause this video and match the moves I make in this video. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. I don't want it to be too long for you all. Alright, so we are now inside. Let us start up immediately, and we'll go to Chrome and type in 192.168.0.6. Okay, so this is Rokus, and then the username and password is provided already, so you can just copy and paste, or you type it in, whichever one is easier for you. Okay, so let's see. Create a WLAN plan using the following. So we'll go to monitor, WLAN, configure, let's see, disable the current WLAN, create new. Okay, let's see what we have. It's gonna be CompNet wireless, according to the name provided here. Then the side is going to be CompNet, and type is going to be standard, and authentication is going to be open, encryption is going to be WAP2, select WAP2 here, and AES is selected. Paraphrase is going to be, you can just copy and paste. So secure. Okay, so let's see what else. Are we missing anything here? Everything appears to be fine. So we click OK, and then let's see what else. Connect the exec laptop in the executive office to the new wireless network. So let's go into the executive laptop. We are now in the executive office. We are now inside this laptop. So we connect to the new wireless network we just created, and we input the password. Click next, and you see this is connected. So CompNet is secure. So I guess that is all for this lab. So if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.